Recording. Hello, welcome to the internet, people.
Today we will be cooking.
Yes.
What are we cooking, Jevons?
Surprise.
Surprise. Okay, to cook surprise, all you'll need is some bowls, some white chocolate, some Oreos. You want some peppermint extract
And some food colouring to make it look a little really pretty.
we chose green. Use what you want.
Green for mint. Green for aliens. God, that's a trilogy. Anyway, right. I've got an idea to make this a little bit entertaining because sometimes it can be a little bit boring. Right, I'm gonna brace you. Right, we got right. First of all, we got to break the chocolate. Right, so
This packet's stuck.
what?
Fuck!
He cheated.
Every piece of mine smashed.
For sake. Looks like this was broken as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Ridiculous. We need
We
to
don't need to put it in that one. We can just half each. We're doing ours over in a slightly different way. See whose is better. Of course, it's gonna be mine because I mean.
So I'm cooking with the. That's about half. Yeah. So he's going to use the microwave to melt the chocolate, and I'm going to use the cool way, the good way, the proper way of using a pan with boiling water and a glass thing to melt it. Because standard. I don't actually know how to make this. This is his ingredient.
Can I cook yet? Right. And now we got to break the Oreos.
No, yeah. Don't fuck up my house, please.
No,
Are you happy with yourself now?
Now we've got to melt our chocolate.
Right, so for mine, here's what we're going to do. Here I have some water that I boiled a little bit earlier. That'll be enough. And all you do, you stick your thing in there, and just wait for that to start melting. Really, you can put the cooker on a little bit. I'm going to put mine down to about 7. This will heat up and start melting. Saw that.
What?
Alright. Dick! Okay, next we do something. We have our pre-smashed Oreos.
Right. Have been extracting the green food colour.
Okay, how much is the measurement of the extract?
No idea. Dead tablespoon. Could be fine.
Tablespoon.
It smells lovely.
Tablespoon's
Literally smells like
about
Ariel. Ariel.
Extract's quite strong, I'm just going to do.
Okay.
That's going to be really strong now. Mint. Okay, yeah, that's like too much. Do you put the green food colouring in as well?
Yeah, on the colour.
Food colouring I don't actually need to measure because I can just monitor it by colour. But no, you just decide how dark you want the green. So this is quite a light green right now.
Yeah. Basically, the only reason we're using green food colouring is because, like I said a minute ago, just so it looks like mint.
Yeah. Mine's gone really hard already.
Yeah, same.
I mean, mine like a really deep green.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm going to put mine in the microwave.
Back on the heater.
So, after all that. I think we used too much bin.
Yeah, I was saying that. Man, that is just mint. Actually, mine's alright.
Don't forget we're putting Oreos in it.
What?
It all went up my nose.
Lol.
Yeah, we may have fucked this up.
What we've got to do is just chuck the Oreos in there.
I'm going to let mine cool a second.
Mine looks like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Yeah, that's essentially what we're making. Except not ice cream.
Just the mint chocolate chip. With Oreo instead of... It's like that ice cream we had when we were in Southampton.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
Secretly add link in description below.
Really? Because mine looks like ice cream. And I'm actually gonna... Mine's actually turning into more of a dough, so I might just... Still got that rolling pin. I might roll mine out. You're a dick. Are you sure you've made these before?
No, I haven't. I got the recipe in work. Genuinely, some guy came into my work with a little tinfoil thing and made these. They were really nice. I think we may have messed it up. I think you're meant to put the Oreos in, then everything else, because then it'll all like...
Set like a paste. Well, it's kind of like a paste, like we paste it on something. Or we could eat it with a teaspoon.
No, because you don't eat it like this.
What?
You put it in the fridge.
Okay.
And then it sets rock solid.
You shouldn't eat the whole pack of Oreos.
This is actual cooking stuff, by the way. A good tip is to put it in like a tray with baking tray.
I've got one of them up there.
Paper. The reason being is because you need to just lift the paper out. But anyone who knows how to cook, that's basic culinary etiquette, essentially. At the bowl, and like, as you can see, that's not gonna come out anytime soon. So that's gonna be fun to get out.
Alright, so what, do we just put this on the tray and then spread it out?
Well, it's how thick you want it, really.
Okay.
I'm going to leave mine in the bowl, because I'm lazy. But basically, I'm going to put mine in like that, and come back to it later.
This might take a while. That'll do. I might put some sprinkles on mine. Right?
He's made a lovely cookie.
Stay away. No. go.
Mine's going to be a bitch to get.
Do you want to put it on the foil?
Wait. It's going to be a bitch to get out. Because it's all, obviously it's melted into the...
Wait, I know what to do. Get a knife. Get a knife.
Go chuck that in the sink.
So, yeah. It's fine. If you want to see more cooking videos from us where we just make shit and do fuck up, then
Just let us know.
we'll make them.
Yeah.
We'll probably just do some more anyway. I always say that anyway.
But yeah,
Banter.
we've been the Internet Peoples. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. And
Also, if you want to leave us any recipes for snacks, you know, that you can have when you're gaming, give us a bell, give us a recipe, and we'll make it.
a comment, a message.
That's oh yeah. Give us a bell. That's what that means. Just give us a
I know,
shout.
but people may not know English slang. Peanuts. Anyway,
That's
thank you very
English
much.
slang for my best friend.
Yes, it is. But anyway,
You're my penis, Jordan.
I got called Wang. That was my nickname at one point.
You're my biggest, bestest penis.
You have multiple. Anyway, thank you very much. You've been the Internet Peoples as always.
One more thing. Before we do the thank you very much. I really want to thank Lee, who is actually on camera right now because I fucked up my tripod somewhere.
Yep, he
Lost
doesn't
it.
always put out.
So thank you very much to Lee, who we will get a shot of now. And yeah, he's looking at me with death stare, trying not to laugh, and he's there with his hair burning. Does it stop now?
So, anyway, we've been the Internet Peoples as always, and we'll hopefully see you again. I'd be thumb of approval.
Hey, this is IP thumb approved.